So sit back, let's go behind the scenes and into the ears of the pros. It's time for Mic Check.
This is not solo queue. This is LCS.
This is Sparta.
Yo, can we get Chris turned up?
Yeah.
Why you can't hear me?
No.
For real? I'm just turning you up.
Chris, I need you to turn up for me.
Woo!
Let's go, boys.
Woo! Okay, so what's the plan?
Just run for your life. Run for your life.
Pull the dragon to the right every time, no matter what.
Leave the dragon in the pit.
Alright, we're gonna fight in dragon pit this time.
Let's clump behind it with no jumps or flashes up.
Just go ham on them.
Go, I see you. Nice!
Nice!
That's it, man! That's fucking it, bros.
No vision! Go! Let's go, baby! Let's go!
Yeah, let's go!
Go on.
Very good job.
Really nice fight. Okay,
Nice one combo, Rex.
don't get too overconfident, guys.
You can, you just have to believe.
I'm believing right now.
You just have to believe.
That's all you. Get it.
Let's go.
Get strong.
Oh, nice.
Very nice.
+2 fantasy points.
Fantasy points! Fantasy!
Mine! Finish the game! There we go, boys!
Who go with it?
Nice, guys!
Are we?
Nice, finally! Me. Hook! Ah, моя сука!